Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Knockout Collection and 2 Blisser packs. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the video. And let's get to opening up these packs. We got one pack here. Let's open up the other pack. Here we go. We got Surging Spark. And we have the Kyogre Knockout Collection. Let's see what we get. Ooh. We got the stickers. And we got Twilight Masquerade, and we got Surging Spark. Okay. Let's open Twilight Masquerade. Fighting Energy, Aron, Spider, Sandshrew, Darumaka, Claremont, Heracross, Palkia, Reverse Hollow Lucky, Reverse Hollow Frogadier, and Giraffeus EX. Let's go. Okay. Okay. And we got our first pack of Surging Sparks. Fighting Energy, Octopus, Dino, Dressel, Wathro, Panda Monkey, Triple Berry, Walrein, Quaxel, Reverse Hollow Chuckadier, and a Hollow Tapu Lele. And our next pack of Surging Sparks. Grass Energy, Toka Kiss, Scola, Bronzor, Apollo, Tauros, Decisive Kit, Altaria, Quaxley, Reverse Appleton, ooh, Hologastrodon. Last pack magic, a Surgeon Spark. Basic Energy, Chocolate, Diglett, Spino, Jasmine's Gaze, Registeel, Reverse, Wuchi, and a Hologastrodon. That's 2 in a row. That's 2 in a row from Surgeon Sparks with a Hologastrodon. Dang. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And there will be more videos to come by. See you later, collector.